Episode 56 WJ August 2nd, 2024 Wisconsin Low-Income Household 100% rebate for up to $10,000 if energy cut up to 35%. In Episode 56 WJ1C, Episode 56Y for a simplified description of the HOMES program in Wisconsin, which provides rebates for primarily home insulation and weatherization, rolled out on August 2nd, 2024. There are two vendors currently assigned to this HOMES program in the Madison, Wisconsin area. What one of the vendors named Accurate Airtight Exteriors of Madison, Wisconsin, offers on its website follows. 3 on the Wisconsin Focus on Energy website is a list of the rebates that will eventually be all available in Wisconsin. https://focusonenergy.com/blog/IRA-federal-tax-credits for Biden-Harris administration announces Wisconsin launch of federal home energy rebates program helping lower families' utility bills August 2nd, 2024. 5 Wisconsin Focus on Energy. Wisconsin's home energy rebate programs. Wisconsin is launching the HOMES program, one of 2 programs making up the federal home energy rebate programs, by leveraging the program infrastructure already in place for the state's existing focus on energy program. 6 more states get ready for rebate launch. DOE has now awarded $1.2 billion to states to implement home energy rebate programs. 10 states have received full funding from DOE to launch one or both rebate programs: Arizona, California, Hawaii, Indiana, Maine, New Mexico, New York, Rhode Island, Washington, and Wisconsin. Main content. 1C Episode 56Y for a simplified description of the HOMES program in Wisconsin, which provides rebates for primarily home insulation and weatherization, rolled out on August 2nd, 2024. This episode illustrates one possible example of a household with income 80% of Madison, Wisconsin median income for a family of 4. In the Capital Times article of August 2nd, 2024, the Capital Times stated, if a project could cut energy use by 35% or more, a person making 80% of the median income in an area, which in Madison is $97,800 for a family of 4, can have 100% of their project costs covered, up to $10,000. Residents will first complete a home energy assessment provided by a licensed energy auditor to determine the home's upgrade needs and establish the estimated energy savings each upgrade would provide. Low-income households are eligible for a rebate to help cover the cost of the home energy assessment. Rebate amounts are based on household income and the amount of estimated energy savings. A home energy audit is required before receiving the home's rebate, and the auditor will suggest possible insulation and weatherization fixes. There are 2 vendors currently assigned to this HOMES program in the Madison, Wisconsin area. What one of the vendors named Accurate Airtight Exteriors of Madison, Wisconsin, offers on its website follows. Excerpts edited by ROSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Accurate Airtight Exteriors, https://theirbarrier.com/service-group/home-performance-testing home performance testing. Residential insulation and air sealing home performance testing energy audits infrared diagnostics ice dam prevention reduce energy bills through professional on-site testing and consulting, along with solutions tailored to your project needs. You can be confident your money is well spent. Energy efficiency. We are certified consultants as well as qualified contractors equipped to help Wisconsin residents and businesses make choices that save energy, save money, and protect the environment. Energy performance testing. We are qualified to do energy performance testing, combustion safety testing, and comprehensive air sealing. We will depressurize your home so we can find and seal areas of energy loss. If your home is efficient, only 2% of all homes, we do not charge anything. You have lots to gain and nothing to lose. Insulation. We know which insulation is the best for walls, attics, and other applications. We insulate sidewalls, attics, crawl spaces, and just about any place you need us to. We use quality materials made to insulate and reduce outside noise in your home. Some of our products are especially useful at pest and mold control as well. Air sealing. Air sealing is the work of filling hidden gaps, cracks, and holes in the shell of the building between the interior and exterior. This may be done using caulks or foams, or we may have to build something more tailored to the issue. It really depends upon the hole that was found. Air infiltration testing and air sealing your home is one of the biggest investments in your life. Protecting this investment is a concern of many property owners. Is it a concern for you? A home performance audit is designed to measure how airtight a home or building is. It can help in diagnosing comfort, indoor air quality, and durability within your building. Incorporating the infrared camera in conjunction with the blower door accentuates and clarifies areas of concern. Accurate Airtight Exteriors is proud to work with the Focus on Energy Home Performance with Energy Star program in central Wisconsin to deliver whole house energy savings to improve comfort and help protect the environment. In our opinion, every customer that works with us wants to save money and be more comfortable in their home. However, a large percentage of them also care about the environment and want to reduce their carbon footprint. These are the true services that we provide, not air sealing and insulating, but helping people to save money, be more comfortable, and to enable homeowners to reduce their carbon emissions from energy loss to contribute to a more sustainable society. 3 on the Wisconsin Focus on Energy website is a list of the rebates that will eventually be all available in Wisconsin. https://focusonenergy.com/blog/IRA-federal-tax-credits. Excerpts edited by ROSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Available credits and rebates. Tax credits are available for the following upgrades, which may also qualify for Focus on Energy rebates and instant discounts. Item Federal Tax Credit 2024 Focus on Energy Rebate. Insulation 30% of product cost, up to $1,200 starts July 1st, 2024. Standard, up to $1,950. Income Qualified Asterisk, up to $2,620. Home Energy Audit 30% of costs, up to $150 not applicable. Windows and skylights. Must meet Energy Star most efficient criteria, 30% of product cost, up to $600 not applicable. Exterior doors 30% of product cost, up to $250 per door. Annual max $500 not applicable. Air source heat pumps 30% of project, up to $2,000 instant discount available asterisk. Geothermal heat pumps 30% for property placed in service up to $1,000. Central air conditioners. Energy Star 30% of project, up to $600 not applicable. Furnaces, natural gas, 30% of project, up to $600 minimum 86% AFUE instant discount available asterisk. Minimum 95% AFUE. Furnaces, oil, 30% of project, up to $600 not applicable. Hot water boilers, natural gas, Energy Star 30% of project, up to $600 instant discount available asterisk. Hot water boilers, propane, oil, 30% of project, up to $600 not applicable. Biomass stoves/boilers 30% of project, up to $2,000 not applicable. Heat pump water heaters 30% of project, up to $2,000 instant discount available asterisk. Water heaters, natural gas, 30% of project, up to $600. Requires Energy Star version 5.0 effective April 18, 23 instant discount available asterisk. Solar energy systems 30% of property placed in service up to $300. Customers in specific zip codes may receive an additional $300 bonus for solar electric systems. Small wind turbines 30% of property placed in service not applicable. Battery storage technology 30% of property placed in service not applicable. Fuel cells 30% of property placed in service not applicable. Asterisk you may qualify for higher rebates based on your household's income. Learn more about income qualified rebates. Biden-Harris administration announces Wisconsin launch of federal home energy rebates program helping lower families' utility bills August 2, 2024. Excerpts edited by Rozep for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against wood smoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Energy.gov Biden-Harris administration announces Wisconsin launch of federal home energy rebates program helping lower families' utility bills supported by the Investing in America agenda. Nearly half of states have submitted applications to start delivering home energy savings and increasing local workforce opportunities. Milwaukee, Wisc. As part of President Biden's Investing in America agenda, the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, announced today that Wisconsin has launched its first home energy rebates program, supported by the Inflation Reduction Act. Even more, Wisconsin is the first state in the nation to launch the home efficiency, homes, portion of the rebate program, enabling households at all income levels, with an emphasis on lower-income households, to save on energy efficiency improvements such as insulation, air sealing, and heat pumps that reduce whole home energy consumption. Wisconsin's launch is part of the Biden-Harris administration's nationwide initiative to provide $8.8 billion in federal funding for states, territories, and tribes to lower energy costs and increase efficiency in American homes by making it cheaper to install cost-saving measures such as heat pumps, electrical panels, and insulation. These energy-saving measures will save American households up to $1 billion annually in energy costs and support an estimated 50,000 U.S. jobs in residential construction, manufacturing, and other sectors. These investments also advance the President's Justice 40 initiative, which sets a goal that 40% of the overall benefits of certain federal climate, clean energy, affordable and sustainable housing, and other investments flow to disadvantaged communities that are marginalized by underinvestment and overburdened by pollution. The Biden-Harris administration is helping families save energy and save money, and we're not slowing down, said U.S. Secretary of Energy Jennifer M. Granholm. Wisconsin is leading the pack of states building up their local workforce and keeping money in the pockets of their residents, all thanks to the Investing in America agenda. Home energy rebates for clean and energy-efficient appliances and upgrades are good for the planet because they help cut pollution. But more importantly, they are good for Wisconsin families because they will save money by lowering energy bills, said John Podesta, senior advisor to the president for international climate policy. Congratulations to Wisconsin for being the second state in the nation to make these game-changing Inflation Reduction Act incentives available to their residents. President Biden and Vice President Harris's leadership is helping turbocharge efforts across the country to expand access to cost-saving clean energy upgrades and cut the pollution that hurts our environment and public health, said White House National Climate Advisor Ali Zaidi. Home energy rebates will help both reduce emissions and lower energy costs for Wisconsin families using tried-and-true insulation, heat pumps, and efficient appliances and lighting. As climate-fueled extreme heat also continues to impact communities, better insulation and heat pumps will keep families safer and more comfortable. This $149 million infusion will help Governor Evers' Homes and HERE program reach tens of thousands more folks. It strengthens the partnership between the Biden-Harris and Evers administrations to deliver more utility bill savings for more Wisconsin families. This Biden-Harris investment will make a difference at the kitchen table level from Green Bay to Eau Claire, Madison to Milwaukee, literally all across the state, and that's why it's a big deal. Many Americans spend a large portion of their monthly income to heat, cool, and power their homes, with some of the lowest income families spending upwards of 30% of their income on energy bills. Overall, by participating in the home energy rebate programs, individual households could save up to $14,000 for energy-efficient home upgrades and hundreds more on monthly energy bills. To advance the objective of these programs, DOE is requiring states and territories to allocate at least half of the rebates to low-income households, defined as those earning 80% or less of their area median income, which is expected to benefit many households in disadvantaged communities. States and territories must also submit community benefits plans to ensure good jobs and other economic opportunities are available. To help keep consumers informed and equipped with resources, DOE recently released a Consumer Bill of Rights framework and is encouraging state, territorial, and tribal rebates programs to adopt it. 5. Wisconsin focus on energy. Wisconsin's home energy rebate programs. Wisconsin is launching the HOMES program, one of two programs making up the federal home energy rebate programs, by leveraging the program infrastructure already in place for the state's existing focus on energy program. Residents will first complete a home energy assessment provided by a licensed energy auditor to determine the home's upgrade needs and establish the estimated energy savings each upgrade would provide. Low-income households are eligible for a rebate to help cover the cost of the home energy assessment. Rebate amounts are based on household income and the amount of estimated energy savings. For single-family homes, rebates will range up to $10,000 for those making less than 80% of their area median income, AMI. $4,000 for those making between 80% to 150% AMI. $3,000 for those making at or above 150% AMI. Multifamily properties are also eligible. Rental units with low-income tenants are eligible for up to $10,000 in rebates, depending on estimated energy reductions. The Inflation Reduction Act provided Wisconsin with nearly $150 million for its home energy rebate programs. Wisconsin expects to launch its home electrification and appliance rebates HERE program later this year. Through the HERE program, Wisconsinites can receive up to $14,000 off high-efficiency electric appliances and other energy-efficient home upgrades. For more information on Wisconsin's program, visit Focus on Energy's Home Energy Rebates website. 6 more states get ready for rebate launch. DOE has now awarded $1.2 billion to states to implement home energy rebate programs. 10 states have received full funding from DOE to launch one or both rebate programs: Arizona, California, Hawaii, Indiana, Maine, New Mexico, New York, Rhode Island, Washington, and Wisconsin. DOE continues to receive and approve funding applications for states, territories, and tribes to launch their programs. To date, 49 states and territories have applied to DOE for early administrative or full program funding. DOE has also received full funding applications for one or both rebate programs from 22 states and territories: Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, the District of Columbia, Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Indiana, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington, and Wisconsin. Each state is in charge of setting up and running its own program. You can check the status of your state's program at energy.gov/save/rebates. Between now and September, home energy rebates are expected to become available in several more states, helping more American families save energy and save money with energy-efficient home upgrades. You can track state and territorial program launches on our website. For more information on what you can do to save energy and save money, visit www.energy.gov/save.